Good morning. My name is Everton Henriquez, and I'm the New York MEP Solutions Director for FuseUp. I would like to take the opportunity to talk to you today about something that I consider to be very vitally important for DoD manufacturers within New York State. We are having a self-assessment training workshop on the NIST SP 800-171. And we believe that this workshop is a must for every company that's in the DoD supply chain. Why? Because very, very shortly, in order to bid on projects, you're going to have to meet CMMC level 3, which involves the NIST SP 800-171. In addition to that, you really have to get your SPRS number count. So you need to know how to do this. So what are we doing right now? What we're going to do is that we're offering a virtual workshop wherein we are going to provide training for you DoD manufacturers such that you can be prepared. This training is going to be on April 21st between 9 and 1 o'clock. We will go through all 14 families of the NIST SP 800-171, and then we will break out into our rooms where individually you will be taught how to do a self-assessment along those guidelines. Now, we will have experts with you personally that you can ask questions of. And even though this is virtual, it will be like being in the same classroom with each other. In addition to that, you'll be hooked into what we call our Cohort Program, where we have a teachable platform that will provide you with training that you can do at home at any time. This is a $12,000 value. So let me go back to the beginning. Join us April 21st between 9 and 1 o'clock and help us help you. Thanks.